Okay, top 12 Arete goddesses. Top 12 Arete goddesses.
Once more, your favorite candidate. Are you ready?
Parang ito na yung top 20 na mapapasok sa ano ah.
First, let's call in Bohol.
Wow! Bohol! Oh, Bohol.
Ambassadors ba yun?
One of the Arete goddesses, Bohol.
Goes to Tarlac.
Tarlac! Woo! Tarlac is the second goddess of Arete.
Di ba? Pasok si Tarlac.
Oo, hindi pwede. Malinis ang pasarela eh.
Congratulations a lot. Universe, are you ready for Iligan?
Wow! Iligan! Sama tayo, papasok si Iligan. Papasok si Iligan. Tama kami.
Dahil mo nakikita natin.
Alright, I hear someone from there saying Sultan Kudarat.
Yeah! Chelsea! Sultan Kudarat, one of the Arete goddesses.
Property nila in Batangas ka?
Ha?
Property nila in Batangas.
Isabela!
Wow! I told you! Papasok siya!
Go, Jarina!
Go, Jarina!
That side. Your wish is my command. Benguet!
Benguet!
Baka si Laguna, di ba?
Wala pa.
Let's call it Quirino!
Wow! Si Quirino, pasok! May corona ka na, may jowa ka pang pogi. Sana all na lang talaga, Quirino.
Are you ready for Camiguin?
Camiguin! Camiguin, one of the most beautiful girl.
Yes.
Camiguin. Maganda si Camiguin, guys. Walang budol, maganda si Camiguin.
We're down to our last three. You want that girl? Well, let's call her in. Malay Akla.
Wow! Woo! Nine na sila, di ba? Nine na.
1, 2,
All right.
5,
Let's call it
9.
Camarines Sur.
Wow! Camarinesor!
I'm calling them random. I'm getting confused. All right. On the 11th spot, let's call it Nueva Ecija.
Nueva Ecija! Ala, wala si Laguna.
And the last, but not the least, Quezon City.
Oh no, wala si Laguna. Oh my gosh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we officially welcome the Aqua Angels and the Arem Goddesses. Thank you very much.